Did you know that a Category 5 hurricane can expel energy equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima-style bombs in a day? Yes, you heard it right. Hurricanes are not just a gust of wind, but colossal powerhouses of energy that can cause catastrophic damage. Hurricanes are classified into different categories based on their wind speed and potential for damage using the Saffir-Simpson scale. The scale starts from Category 1, being the least intense, and goes up to Category 5, which is the most severe. Consider a Category 1 hurricane. It's like an unruly teenager with sustained wind speeds ranging from 74 to 95 miles per hour. Although it's the least intense, it can still cause considerable damage, toppling trees, snapping power lines, and damaging buildings that are not sturdily built. Next on the scale is a Category 2 hurricane. Its sustained wind speeds can reach from 96 to 110 miles per hour. This increased strength can cause extensive damage to trees, buildings, and infrastructure. Moreover, it may also result in storm surges leading to coastal flooding. Moving up the scale, we encounter the Category 3 hurricane, a major hurricane with wind speeds between 111 and 129 miles per hour. You can compare this with a freight train passing by at full speed. This hurricane can cause devastating damage, severely damaging or even destroying buildings, and its storm surges can result in extensive coastal flooding. Next is the Category 4 hurricane, an extremely dangerous storm with wind speeds between 130 and 156 miles per hour. This hurricane can cause catastrophic damage to buildings, infrastructure, and vegetation. The storm surges are often severe and can penetrate far inland, leading to widespread flooding. At the top of the scale is the Category 5 hurricane, the most severe and powerful hurricane. Think of a rocket launching into space. With wind speeds of 157 miles per hour or higher, it can completely destroy buildings. The areas affected by its storm surges may experience significant and life-threatening coastal flooding. Hurricanes are a manifestation of nature's raw power. Understanding their categories can help us better comprehend their potential for damage and the threat they pose. It is important to educate ourselves about these mighty storms and learn how to prepare for them. Knowledge is the first line of defense, so arm yourself with it and stay safe.